Hi there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be talking about how save energy if your TV consuming a lot of energy. TVs are present in about 96% of households, as pointed out by IBGE in a recent study. With such penetration, it is natural that daily consumption impacts the consumer's pocket. In the following lines, Techidence shows you how to avoid exorbitant bills without giving up a habit that entertains, amuses, and educates so many people. You will realize that the additional values on the electricity bill depend on the duration of use, the number of inches of the screen, the technologies present in the device, and the settings used. Generally speaking, today's TVs are more energy efficient than older TVs. According to a study by the University of California, a CRT model, the famous tube TV, uses 1.5 watts in standby mode. Meanwhile, LCD models use only 1 watt in the same mode. The age of the TV is not the only factor that influences the energy expenditure of televisions. Typically, the more inches they have, the more power they will use to run. Moreover, even among the most modern TVs, the different technologies they use can interfere with monthly energy consumption. Besides the size and the technology involved, how the user uses the set also influences the final amount of the electricity bill. Let's talk about some tips for saving energy. 1. Calculate the consumption of your TV. Calculating the monthly consumption of your television can be a simple measure that can help you control your finances at the end of the month. To calculate this, all you need to do is check the device's power in watts, data that is usually given in the TV's manual dash, multiply it by the number of hours used, and by the number of days used in the month. After that, the value found in kilowatts per hour should be divided by 1000 and multiplied by the energy tariff. This may seem like a simple tip, but calculating how many hours a TV is used can be surprising. It is a habit to leave the TV on while doing other daily tasks. In some households, the TV is on all day long. 2. Change settings in automatic brightness. In the case of smart TVs, which have an intelligent system, spending can be reduced with some measures, such as deactivating the quick start option, which leaves the TV consuming energy in the background. It is also interesting to activate the automatic brightness control feature. To have an idea, 4K TVs over 50 inches can use up to 50% more energy with the automatic brightness turned off, and some models can reach up to 64% more consumption without this feature. 3. Avoid sleeping with the TV on. Who has never taken a nap while watching a favorite program? The problem is when this nap extends throughout the night. If this becomes a routine, the hours of sleep in front of the TV can be very expensive. To solve this, several TVs have a feature that programs the shut-off time. On Samsung sets, the function is called Sleep Timer. With it, it is possible to make the TV turn off after the stipulated period. 1. Check the energy efficiency. The consumer can check the energy rating of the desired appliance even before buying it. To make this information more didactic, there is a consumption ranking, which goes from the letter A to the letter G. If the device is more economical and thus consumes fewer watts, its label will be closer to A. Conversely, if the device consumes a lot of energy, it will be closer to G. 2. Pay attention to the type of TV. In general, LED and LCD models are usually affordable and very economical compared to, for example, plasma TVs. In comparison with LEDs, the OLED successor is at a disadvantage when it comes to the economy, despite being more technological and modern. In general, a 55-inch OLED TV consumes 98 W per hour per day, while an LED model of this same size consumes only 57 watts. 3. Choose the right size. As mentioned earlier, larger TVs tend to use more energy. In small environments, such as living rooms and offices, there is no need for a TV as large as in the living room. For example, even a 60-inch old TV tends to be less economical than a 30-inch plasma. Here ends our video on TV's energy consumption. We hope you find it very useful. If you have any suggestion, kindly share with us in the comments section. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please click on the notification bell in front of the subscribe button to turn on notification for this channel, so as to notify you when I post new video. Thank you for watching.